Now let's discuss Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, as Al-Amin, that is the trustworthy. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Surah Mu'minun, chapter number 23, verse number 8, and Surah Ma'arij, chapter number 70, verse number 32. وَالَّذِينَ هُمْ لِأَمَانَاتِهِمْ وَعَهْدِهِمْ رَاعُونَ. And those who fulfill their covenants and their trusts. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, he was known as Al-Amin, that is the trustworthy, by his enemies as well as by his friends. Once a strife broke out at the time of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. There was a huge flood that had almost destroyed the Kaaba. So the people, they started arguing regarding the placement of the black stone. Who will be the one who will place the black stone in its proper position? So later on they agree that the first person to come in the presence of the Kaaba, he will decide on who will place the black stone. So it happened so, Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, he was the first one to come. So the people, they cried out, Al-Amin, that is the trustworthy has come. He will deal with justice. So the Prophet, peace be upon him, asked the people to get a huge sheet of cloth. He placed the black stone in the center of this cloth, and he asked the people from the tribe to hold this piece of cloth. So all the people, they held this piece of cloth, they lifted it, and the Prophet, peace be upon him, he picked up the black stone himself and placed it in its proper position. This was how our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, with his hikmah, with his wisdom, he prevented the tribes from going at war. This was the hikmah. This was the wisdom of our beloved Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him.